Adin ba menteri nang ba kejelau kuan rat sangmal alum ya kejingelang ban yem jingmut halor Jingpynbyrnia pat pen internet ya katai Umïam kaban kentup menta salai spa agar kejaka ban pelongkum ke turis hub ban senai kejaka pen kamai helikopter. Menteri Ketenat Kikam jengok kai Pyrthei ba polling do ulak pentip bahkan don Shibun ki Jingpynbyrnia ya ki Nongshang kai Pyrthei kamtam ka water sports. Kanan ru kejaka yat kai Haneru Park kijaka elak kai ki kena ki adventure sports bat kiwe. Habakran haloi ki jingjabo jeng ke Pung Umïam ubak pol lakular ba ka Jingpynkhoi ya ke wa Umïam kedai ke bakongsan bha hakane ke jingtmu.
Meeting, this was more of a PowerPoint presentation organized at the instance of the Chief Minister, where we have a very ambitious plan to redevelop the entire Umïam area, parts of which are now with tourism MTDC, parts of which are with forest department. So there's a very ambitious project to expand the MTDC, the units of the MTDC, probably introduce more facilities, more entertainment zones, and also upscale the present accommodation facilities available with Orchid Lake Resort. So we have made substantial progress in the sense that the Department of Forests has indicated its willingness to part with about 300 acres of land for facilitating the growth of tourism in that particular hub. And we would like Umïam to be a major tourist attraction of not only Meghalaya but also the entire northeast. So based on that presentation, we will now, the departments concerned have been asked to finalize the rest of details, and in principle we have agreed that we will expand Umïam as a tourist hub of the state of Meghalaya. These will include all activities, especially water sports, for instance. Then there'll be activities for tourists so that they do not confine themselves to their hotel rooms. There'll be walking space in and around the Nehru Park. There'll be facilities for children. Basically, adventure sports will also be encouraged. Then we are also thinking in terms of having, entertainment, water sports entertainment, and such other facilities. We are identifying those activities. This will form part of the rejuvenation plan, because along with the expansion, we are also planning to rejuvenate Umïam Lake, which is why this meeting involving several departments was called today. The Department of Power has been tasked with the responsibility of coming up with a plan. For instance, desiltation is required, they'll take this up, and things will start moving now. You will be seeing the results soon.